Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're having an excellent day. If you are not, then I hope this video will at least bring you some joy or motivation to get out and make something. Let's get started. On today's video, I will be making a bottle cap opener out of a 1x6 pine wood board. I will be putting all the details and materials used in the description. I will also include the measurements of the cuts I made, just in case you guys want to try it out as well. Bottle cap openers make a fantastic and unique gift, especially since they're made out of wood and something you could handcraft yourself. You know, that makes it far more special. They go great either indoors or outdoors. If you plan to have yours outdoors, then it is recommended that you at least every once in a while try to stain and reseal it, just to keep it from wearing out. Maybe every 6 to 12 months, depending how long it is exposed directly to the elements, such as rain and sunlight. If it is not directly exposed to the elements and it's in shaded areas, then you could go far longer than that without doing any touch-ups. But if it is exposed directly to rain and sun, then I'd recommend give it a touch-up at least every 6 to 12 months, just to make sure that it keeps intact. So once the cuts are done, I check to see that the pieces align by clamping them together. I like to leave the cuts just a little bit off, just to so that way they're not completely flush with one another. This way it gives it more of a handcrafted look. I sometimes feel that if you do all the cuts to precise measurements, they sometimes look like they came off an assembly line. But it depends on the project though. If I were making a chair, well then yes, I definitely have to make sure that everything is aligned. But this project to me needs to have more of a handcraft feeling. That is why I like to leave some imperfections to give it a unique look. But that's just the way I like to make my bottle cap openers. Let me know in the comment section if you like the outcome, or if you have another way of doing them that can make it look even better. Once I'm satisfied on the way the cuts came out, then I proceed to sand the wood with some 60 grit sandpaper followed by some 220 to give it a finer finish. Once I'm done sanding, I proceed to apply the stain with a brush. It's not a great quality brush, but that's okay because I use a rag to remove the excess stain from it on each coat that I give it. So it doesn't really matter on the brush I use at this point. Once I apply 2 to 3 coats of stain, depending on how many coats I would like to add, and it has dried out, then that's when I proceed to apply some sealer to protect the stain finish. You can give it as many coats of stain as you like. The more stains you give it, obviously the darker or the more penetrated color the wood will actually get. But it's all a matter of choice of what you like. Make sure that you have the cap opener in an area where no dust or dirt will land on it. So this way it won't lead to you seeing all these small particles on your stain. I have an area outdoors where very little wind blows, so this helps control the amount of dust and dirt in the air. But yes, recommended. Definitely make sure you have an area free of dust, free of dirt, and where not much wind blows. Final step, screw on the cap opener. Mark the center where you will then proceed to pre-drill 2 holes you will be using to insert the screws. Once you have centered and drilled the holes, you just proceed to insert the screws. That's it. Make sure to not over tighten, as this can lead to breaking the wood. All that is left to do after that is just to enjoy your bottle cap opener. Again, this is a great gift idea and a great project if you are starting woodworking. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I have some more videos coming up. Thank you very much.